अब बात करेंगे गुरुग्राम में हुए हादसे की। ट्रेजेडी स्ट्रक एन अपार्टमेंट कॉम्प्लेक्स इन गुरुग्राम इन द नेशनल कैपिटल रीजन. Roof of an apartment on the 6th floor collapsed and crashed right through the first floor in the Paradiso housing complex in Gurugram. Rescue and relief operations are underway and there are reports of several casualties. जहां तक रिपोर्ट्स की माने अब तक ये जानकारी मिल रही है कि इस हादसे में शायद 2 लोगों की मौत हो गई है और जो लोग फंसे हुए हैं उनको निकालने का भी पूरा प्रयास किया जा रहा है। छठे माले पर जो घर था उसकी छत कोलैप्स हो गई, छत गिर गई और पहले माले तक, पहले फ्लोर तक वो गिरती हुई चली गई, जिसकी वजह से 2 लोगों की जान चली गई। इस तरह की रिपोर्ट्स में जानकारी सामने आ रही है। पुलिस का कहना है कि सिर्फ 2 फ्लोर्स ऑक्यूपाइड थे इस पूरे बिल्डिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स में। वी हैव आकांक्षा जॉइनिंग अस विद मोर डिटेल्स. आकांक्षा, टेल अस व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ द रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन ऑन ग्राउंड.
Yes, I'm outside Chintal's Paradiso where the incident happened last evening. So this is what we know so far. Last evening, portion of the ceiling of the 6th floor collapsed till the first floor, and as you can see behind me, the area has been covered with green curtains. This is where the incident happened last evening, and we by far we know that one woman has died. She was residing on the 2nd floor while 2 people are trapped on the 1st floor. One of them is an IS officer. Half of his body is under the debris. So as you can see that Haryana police is here, so is SDRF and NDRF, and the rescue operation is underway. What the deputy commissioner has told the reporters is that construction work going on in the 6th floor could be the reason for the collapse. He is however also ordered inquiry into the lapses because time and again residents of this society have complained about the poor construction and had also sought audit of the building materials. So their complaints were not paid heed to. In fact, last year, one resident had also filed a complaint with the authorities, but no action was taken. She also took to Twitter to register her complaint, but no complaint was registered on that. So cognizance has been taken now, and we have to see what happens. Beside that, Prashant Solomon, MD of Chintal's India, is on the run. So details are also awaited on that front.
After the tragedy, हादसा होने के बाद अब हर कोई इसकी बात कर रहा है. जब इस बिल्डिंग में रहने वाले रेसिडेंट्स कंप्लेन कर रहे थे उस वक्त कोई एक्शन नहीं लिया गया. Keep tracking developments. We'll come back to you for updates. Akanksha, for the moment, thank you very much for joining us. And with that, we're slipping into a very short break, but news and updates will continue.